What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at these real carbon fiber covers for your window switches in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. So if you're wanting to add some carbon fiber to your interior pieces, this is going to be a great way to do that. So let's get a close-up look at this, and then we're going to install it so you can see how it looks. So these are going to be the various pieces that you're going to get for your window switches, and you can see how that looks. This is going to be a glossy UV protected finish on here, so it is going to be pretty shiny. It may collect some fingerprints, so if you keep your car clean, that should be no problem. But what I like is that it's real carbon fiber. You know, some of these pieces or some of these accessories can be just fake printed carbon fiber, but when you have the real thing, it really looks good and you can really tell a big difference. So these are all the pieces that you get right here. So let's go ahead and install these in the car. Now, before you get these, you want to double check the model and the year of your car to make sure it's compatible. So make sure you do that first. So to give you an idea, this is compatible with the Tesla Model Y 2020 through 24, the Tesla Model 3 2017 through 2023. So you want to make sure that this fits your model. Now, this is going to be pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. You know, you just size up your pieces to the side that it goes to. And once you have that put on the right side, you're going to peel back the 3M sticker here, the adhesive on here, and you're just going to press it on. Make sure the surface is nice and clean and there's no dust under there, no oil. And once you lay this down, this is going to stick really well. Now, this is going to be a great permanent or temporary solution for your accessory mod. So you can take this up later if you want to peel it off. You know, you might have to put in some work, but you do have that option. So guys, this is going to be the real carbon fiber button switches for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y's interior. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.